Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix 007 First Light game black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to run the game from the game installation folder. So wherever you have installed the game, open the game installation folder. If you have the game on Steam, then open C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, 007 First Light game folder. Then open the retail folder. And here you will find the 007 First Light exe file. What you have to do, you have to just double click this 007 First Light game exe file and then try to launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2 is to run the game as admin. So again go to the game installation folder and then open the retail folder, and here you will find the 007 First Light exe file. Right click on it and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit on apply, OK. And then launch the game by double clicking this 007 First Light exe file from the game installation folder. You must launch the game from the game installation folder and not from the shortcut file or from the Steam, and then check if your problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you can try this tip. Just spam left click on the mouse right as soon as the screen goes black to load the game. So when you launch the game and when the screen goes black, that time you have to spam left click on the mouse right, and this will fix the issue. So try this and see if that helps or not. Fix 4 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, you have to type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So if you have the game on Steam, then browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, 007 First Light game folder. Open the retail folder, select this 007 First Light exe file and then click on add. And after adding it, expand it and then click on the drop down next to GPU preference and select high performance. And after selecting the high performance, then you can go ahead and relaunch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then fix 5 is to set high performance in NVIDIA control panel app. So in Windows search, type NVIDIA control panel and open the NVIDIA control panel app. Then go to the manage 3D settings and then go to program settings and then click on add. After clicking add, look for the 007 First Light game over here and then click on add selected programs. So when you click on add, from the list select 007 First Light game and then click on add selected programs. Now if you don't see the 007 First Light game over here, then you can also click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder and add 007 First Light exe file and then click on add selected programs. And after adding it, here in the second option you will see, click on this drop down and then select high performance NVIDIA processor and then hit on apply. Don't forget to hit on apply. You must click on apply, and after the changes take effect, then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 6 is to disable integrated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type device manager and open it. Then expand the display adapters, and this is the integrated graphic card driver. Right click on it and then select disable device and then click on yes. And after disabling it, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. You can also try this tip. You can disable the integrated graphic card driver and then launch the game and then switch to your display resolution. You have to switch the game to your display resolution. Here you can check the display resolution. Open Windows settings. On the left click on system, then click on display, and here you will see display resolution. So if you have over here like 4K selected, then you can switch the in-game settings to 4K. And if your Windows resolution is 1920 into 1080, then you can switch back to 1920 into 1080p. And then your black screen issue will get fixed. And after playing the game, don't forget to come back over here and then enable the device. So you must enable the integrated graphic card driver after playing the game. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix 007 First Light black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.